안녕하세요. Last time we have studied the verb 아요, 해요, 어요, and then noun 을를, the particle, object marker, and 에서, location, 과와, with someone, 하고, right? Today we are going to study the verb negation. If you can make a verb ending, you also can make a verb ending with negation. So can you see here, an and verb. If you want to make the verb negation, just you can an put before a verb. You can make a negation. Can you see here? This is the Christine and this is the Jimin. Jimin likes the 낙지볶음, but Christine cannot eat sundae. I don't know you guys can eat sundae or not, but Korean lovely food is a sundae that I like as well. Please try sundae when you travel to Korea. Let's see. If you want to create the negative form of a verb, you can simply place an in front of the verb. However, when you want to create the negative form of a verb in the noun 하다, form like 운동하다, you should place an in front of 다. So basically, we can put an before a verb, but 하다 verb is noun plus 하다. So we have to put an between noun and 하다. So noun plus an 하다. Example, can you see here? 오늘 저는 운동 안 해요. So every verb like 먹다, 마시다 is very simple. We can put an before verb. But noun 하다 verb, example, 운동하다, 청소하다, 공부하다 or game하다. Those things we have to put an between noun and 하다. So 오늘 저는 운동 안 해요. And then 저는 내일 공부 안 해요. Like this. Example, 저는 오늘 운동해요. If you want to make this sentence the negation, you can add 저는 오늘 운동 안 해요. You can say that. And 저는 지금 커피를 마셔요. And then you can put an before a verb. 저는 지금 커피를 안 마셔요. I don't drink coffee now. 저는 지금 커피를 안 마셔요. And next sentence. 저는 오늘 피자를 먹어요. Negation is 피자를 안 먹어요. You can put an before a verb. And next sentence, 강아지와 고양이는 지금 자요. You can put here, 지금 안 자요. You can make a negation sentence. And next sentence, 저는 내일 옷을 사요. Tomorrow I'm going to buy a clothes, but I don't buy clothes. 옷을 안 사요. And next sentence, 저는 요즘 한국어를 배워요. 전 요즘 한국어를 안 배워요. You can make a negation sentence. So far so good? Well then, let's move on to the self-check.